The health department says the alert level imposed in the metro will only be escalated if hospital utilization rates increase. But experts also predict that NCR can log up to 7,000 cases per day if low booster turnouts continue. Camille Samonte with the details.
The Department of Health has clarified that there is no basis yet for Metro Manila to be placed under Alert Level 2 despite the slight uptick in COVID-19 cases in the country. Health Undersecretary Maria Rosario Vergeire said escalating the alert level would depend if cases and healthcare utilization show significant increases.
Now that we are seeing that the number of cases have increased in other areas of the country, we are now closely monitoring our hospital use. If this increases and this goes up to that moderate level of consumption or utilization in the hospitals, and then we will need to escalate areas which will have this kind of classification.
Vergeire noted that the increase in cases could be attributed to the waning vaccine immunity and the increased public mobility that is now back to pre-pandemic levels. Vergeire said 7,000 cases per day in NCR is projected by August if the low booster vaccination turnout continues.
If, of course, minimum public health standards will be reduced, the compliance to this, and the waning immunity that is being observed because of this low booster uptake, they are projecting that by the start of August of this year, there would be increase in the number of hospitalizations, and we are looking at around 7,000 cases per day in the National Capital Region.
DOH earlier reported that 14 out of the 17 cities and municipalities in the National Capital Region saw more COVID-19 cases last week. The region, however, remains in a low-risk classification. Quezon City is one of the LGUs that reported a slight increase in COVID cases. The LGU raised its COVID-19 warning to yellow alert after recording an average of 28 cases per day this week.
Ngayon po, nasa yellow tayo, ibig sabihin there's a possibility na tumaas pa yung kaso in the next 14 days. Anong ibig sabihin nun? So nagkakaroon pa rin ng awahan, no, sa community, nagkakaroon pa rin ng awahan sa workplace, so, mga sa pamilya. So kailangan po mag-ingat tayo.
In DOH latest weekly bulletin, a total of 1,682 additional cases were logged from June 6 to 12. This represents a 30.4% increase from a week before. For its part, vaccine expert panel member Dr. Ronjin Salante said raising alert levels will help to mitigate the critical COVID situation in the region.
If there is an indication that we have to enhance or increase the alert level to moderate so that everyone will be also conscious about the status, especially the people na talagang medyo tumaas ang kaso, then we should do that.
For News 5, Camille Samonte, We Are One News.